Red.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
G is for guitar. A guitar is a cool musical instrument with strings and a wooden body. When you pluck or strum the strings, it makes awesome sounds. Guitars can be acoustic, which means they don't need electricity, or electric, which needs a plug and makes louder music. You can play happy songs, sad songs, and even rock out with a guitar. Learning to play takes practice, but it's super fun, and you can write your songs too. So grab a guitar and start making your own music magic. Cyan.
Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Orange. Red.